On the left side of the interface, there are three types of columns, like square column, circle column, and shaped column. So select the square column and place it on the floor. You can change the parameters of the column on the right side, or you can scale it. Then take the circle column and place it on the floor. You can scale it. Then take a shaped column and draw the shape and click on Finish. This is how you can place the shaped column. Then select the beam option and place it on the floor. This is how you can see the beam. You can change the parameters on the right side. Thank you.